Ever wondered how to cook the perfect frozen corn on the cob? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the world of corn, exploring various ways to bring out its sweet, juicy flavors from the icy depths of your freezer. First up, the classic method, boiling. It's simple, quick, and brings out the corn's natural sweetness. Start by filling a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add a pinch of salt, then carefully drop in your frozen corn. No need to thaw it first. Let the corn cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the kernels are tender and bright yellow, drain the water and pat the corn dry. The result? Perfectly cooked corn that's ready for a pat of butter and a sprinkle of salt. But maybe you're looking for a bit of smoky flavor? Then grilling is the way to go. Preheat your grill to high heat. While it's warming up, brush your frozen corn with olive oil and season it with salt and pepper. Once the grill is hot, place the corn directly on the grates. Rotate it every few minutes to ensure even cooking, and in about 15 to 20 minutes, you'll have deliciously grilled corn with beautiful char marks. Next, let's talk about baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, prepare your corn by brushing it with melted butter and sprinkling it with your favorite seasonings. Wrap each cob in aluminum foil, then place them directly on the oven rack. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until the kernels are tender. The result? Corn that's evenly cooked and infused with the flavors of your chosen seasonings. And finally, for those in a rush, the microwave is your friend. Wrap your frozen corn in a damp paper towel and place it on a microwave-safe dish. Pop it in the microwave and cook on high for about 3 to 4 minutes. Be cautious when removing it, as it'll be hot. The corn will be perfectly cooked, ready to be slathered in butter and devoured. Now, while all these methods are great, remember that the taste and texture of your corn also depend on its quality. So, when selecting frozen corn, look for bright, plump kernels that are frozen at peak freshness. And of course, don't forget the seasonings. Whether it's a simple sprinkle of salt and pepper, a dash of chili powder for some heat, or a squeeze of lime for a tangy twist, the right seasonings can elevate your corn to new heights. So, in summary, we've explored 4 fantastic ways to cook frozen corn on the cob. Boiling for a classic taste, grilling for a smoky flavor, baking for an infusion of seasonings, and microwaving for a quick and easy option. Each method has its advantages, and the choice ultimately comes down to your personal taste and convenience. And there you have it, the secret to cooking perfect frozen corn on the cob. Whether you're serving it as a side dish at your next barbecue, adding it to a salad for some crunch, or enjoying it on its own with a dollop of butter, these tips and techniques will help you make the most of this versatile veggie. So, go ahead, give these methods a try, and discover the joy of perfectly cooked corn.